I'm trying to record the barricade we just moved to drive down this road that's completely closed. Oh, that's why. Look at that. There's like a tree in the road. Look at the tree. We're missing it. Like, we're missing the tree.
How are you? I'm good, bro. What's up?
It is flooded. This is flooded. Wow. This is deep. This is up to the freaking truck tires, I bet. Look at it. That's deep. We made it. Whoever's a little flooded too.
That's what makes cars.
Yeah, that's what kills cars. We're gonna videotape this because where I'm standing, it's about 70 degrees for some reason. And it's 40 where Geneva's at, about 40 feet away. Why is it 70 degrees in this one 10-foot spot? We don't really know, but it's kind of weird. Do you have hot spots in your yard?
What?
Like spots, like 10-foot circles where it's 70 degrees all of a sudden in your yard. I'm dead serious. Oh, look at the little aminals. Because it's interesting. Whoa, there's somebody coming.
Car's coming, you gotta wait for it.
I know, and there's a car behind me too. This is like, oh my god, we're gonna crash because Geneva's videotaping and driving at the same time. Nope. We won't crash, we'll just piss off a few people. And that's enough.
I pull in this driveway.
Cigarette. Oh, look at how flooded that is, though.
Pull in this driveway.
Yeah.
The sheep have only got like 20 square feet left.
We want to go see the sheep.
We do?
You can go down there if you want. I was down there before, I wet up to my ankles.
Oh, after that.
Keep going and pull in that little driveway there.
Okay.
What a mess those guys have.
Oh, there's cows.
Cows. These are some cows. This is the land of them.
Those are some big cows, man.
He walks around.
Sarah Locatus. Da 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 da. You weren't supposed to turn around.
What's going on? Why don't you have...
It's the lone sheep, man.
What are you going to do about that, Andrew?
He's fine, you can get back in there if you want. He's the one who ran through.
But he's still...
Oh, listen to him. He's sad.
You really need to go leave that...
He's not stuck. He was in there a second ago. I was down here 5 minutes ago. He ran through the gate. You could run back. I had to open that gate. I was wet up to here.
Why did you have to open it?
In case
You were
the
wet.
water came up all the way. It'll drown.
You were wet up to where? Whoa, that's far.
They were locked in the barn that came down here as well. So